I'm Rich Tanis.
And I'm Rod Tanis.
We're the Rctwins.
Yes, we are.
If you like this video, please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and leave a comment. It really helps us a lot. Today we're going to look at how to set a center of gravity properly on your aircraft. There's information in manuals like this for almost every single one. Sometimes there's not. Even if there is, it may not be what you need or where the CG should really be set. Let's look into that right now. This is a high-wing airplane. This is a mid-wing airplane, and this is a below-wing airplane. The below-wing airplane will need to be inverted. Basically, the rule of thumb is the wing needs to be on top when you're measuring for CG. Here's a below-wing aircraft set up to measure the CG. You'll notice that it's inverted. At Rctwins, regardless of what the manual says, we're going to measure from the leading edge to the trailing edge. Then we're going to use that number to calculate 25% of the way from the leading edge back, and that is where we're going to start setting our CG. Sometimes the leading edge is farther forward than the root. Always go from the farthest forward point. In the case of this biplane, the 25% is split between the upper and the lower wing, and then balanced on the lower wing. Warbird biplanes will be measured under the upper wing. This is a Cub style aircraft, and you may want to have the CG farther forward. This makes the aircraft much more stable. This, of course, is a 3D style aircraft. When doing aerobatics, you may want to have the CG set farther back. It increases the maneuverability, but it makes it quite a bit more tippy to operate. When setting the CG on an aircraft, especially when you're setting it up for the first time, it's always better to err farther forward. When you set a CG too far aft, the aircraft is not going to handle at low speed, but it's also going to tip stall. This will cause the airplane to roll over. A lot of rudder can be applied, and sometimes you can get out if you have enough power, but most of the time it ends up in a crash. Remember, most giant scale CGs give you about 1 inch total movement. Anytime it's mentioned longer than that, you want to question it. Set your CG properly, aim forward on the first try, fly it over and over and over. Set it too far back, fly it once. Rich Tanis, Rctwins, all done, all through.